So 6 years ago, we had a storm by the name of Superstorm Sandy. It's devastated the Northeast, mainly New Jersey. And we actually got the brunt of that storm. The power went out for over a week here, and went out for months in many places. Some places, people never got their homes back. And don't know if you can see it or not, but this is a tree stump where a tree used to be before Hurricane Sandy. Before Hurricane Sandy came here. And this wasn't an ordinary storm because it merged with a nor'easter during high tide when there was a full moon. It was Monday, October 29, 2012. And it just so happens to be today's Monday, October 29th, 2018. So yeah, I just wanted to make this little video for 6-year anniversary for Hurricane Sandy. And I guess that's it for the video. So see you guys in the next one.